Hello guys, in the last course we learned how to use basic navigation and how to combine images. So in this course we are going to learn how to change color using hue and saturation. So let's jump into the project and see how to change the color of things on an image using hue and saturation. So the first thing we're going to do is to open the image by clicking File, Open, select the image. So once you select the image, the first thing to do is to rename our layer by double clicking. Once you double click, you give the name. Let's say we want to give red shoe. So once you rename your layer, the next thing we're going to do is to change the color of this shoe. Let's say you want to give a blue color, a green color, or whatever color you want. So we want to change the color of this shoe using hue and saturation. And where are we going to find this hue and saturation? So you can find it here in Image, Adjustment, Hue and Saturation. Or you can also find it here at the right, Adjustment, and you're going to find this small icon. On top it's written hue and saturation, so you just click on this small icon and then you're going to see some configurations here appearing. So the next thing we're going to do is to, here you have presets, here you have another drop down where you have red, yellow, green, cyan, blue. Those are the colors that you can actually choose in order to change. So on this image we want to change this red color. So we're going to click in this drop down and choose red. So since we've selected the red color, so we want to give, let's say blue, you want to change the color of this shoe. So you just drag it, you drag this hue up or down. So guys, see how the color is actually changing. So you drag it down. Okay, so let's say we want to select a blue color by dragging it down. So let's say we want to select this blue color, and then here you see the saturation. You can increase the saturation or you can desaturate a little bit, so you can see how the color is actually changing. So let's say we want this color, this blue color. Yeah, it's actually very nice. Okay, that is very good. So here you can see the lightness, so you can make it more lighter or you can increase the lightness of the shoe. So let's say let us leave it at 0. So guys, see how it's very easy to change the color of things using hue and saturation. So the next thing we're going to do is to change this green color. So let's give the same color as this shoe. What are we going to do? You click on this drop down and select green, the greens, so because we want to change the greens that are found in this image. So once you select on green, then on hue, you just drag it down, you drag it, see how it's changing. Let us find a blue color. You drag it, you drag it, you drag it until you find this blue. Okay, very nice guys. So you see how this blue is matching this blue on this shoe. So you can give whatever color you want. So that is how you can use hue and saturation to actually change the color of things on our image. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to change this blue color. We are going to give another color, but now we are going to select this little icon, so this little hand. So with this little hand, you can select the color on the image. So in this case, we're not going to go again in this drop down and select the color. We can select the color using this small hand. And then let's say we want to select this blue color. Once you click on the blue, let's say we want to click on this blue, and then let's change the color. So you see, you can actually change the color and give the red back. You can change the color and you can observe something. You can see that the blue is not changing. It's only the color we've selected that is changing. You can see this color is actually changing, is changing. So let's say we want to give this color, okay, and try to desaturate a little bit. Okay, And then here you can click this small hand again, and let's change the color of this blue. You select the blue color, and then you come back to this hue and saturation and change the color. You can change the color, you drag it up or you drag it down, and then trying to find a color that can match the shoe or any color, guys. So just select a color that you like. So guys, that is how you can use hue and saturation. So this is a very easy way to actually change the color of things on an image. So there are many other techniques depending on cases where you can change the color of things in an image. So in next courses, we're going to see other techniques to change the color of things in an image. So if you like the course, just give it a like, just subscribe, just press like, and then okay, see you in the next course, guys. Goodbye.